Hi there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 2903 of What You Up To Now. Documenting the journey originally as I moved from the brick and mortar corporate world of businesses where I worked simultaneously for over a quarter century, working in corporate America, but then also having my own businesses and projects and things going on the side. And then I finally, in 2004, was like, okay, I am not employable anymore. I need to just do my own things. So I started doing my own things and exclusively and a lot of things, all the things, right? And learned a whole lot along the way. I call it the good, the bad, the ugly, because some things were awesome and great. Other things were just soul sucking. And it wasn't until I honored myself and understood the difference and that I had the ability and the power to choose all the time. I just didn't realize it till I did some personal development and growth and things like that and studying. Following a huge health event, right? Nothing changes us faster and easier than a big health challenge. So today we're talking about a couple of things I've really been simplifying at the end of last year, and this entire year will be a continuation of that work and process for me, is simplifying, boiling things down to what you really need to do to figure things out, be successful, and create what it is that you want without struggling or feeling like it's just banging your head against the wall all the time. So we're talking about today, and I streamlined last year my Supersize Your Business daily posting with my annual challenge. And it was a bit of a stretch. It actually took me a couple of years to do it in the way that felt comfortable and right for me. And last year was a whole practice year of, I'm going to talk about the same topics for me and our personal development group, as well as for supersizing and growing our business owner group. And it's incredible, but guess what? It actually works because our businesses will only ever grow as fast as we will. And if we're not willing to be self-aware, be self-reflective, pay attention to what we're doing and how we're leading and how we're showing up in our organization is not going to grow. So today we brainstormed beliefs yesterday, or we didn't even brainstorm, we just paid attention to and wrote down what our beliefs were that came up yesterday. And from that list, I extracted one for Supersize You Challenge and one for Supersize Your Business Challenge. For Supersize You, I picked, I am living way below my potential. And for Supersize Your Business Annual Challenge, I picked, my school community is not growing because of me. It's 100% me, on me, my responsibility, etc. And actually, as the founder, the owner of a business, it is all us, right? It is 100% our responsibility. Now, it's our responsibility to find the solutions to the problems. It isn't our responsibility to do everything for everybody all the time to the point of burning out or giving up and quitting and just getting a job or something. I decided decades ago that having a job was not even an option for me anymore. So it's kind of like that whole burn the boats thing. So I shared a 6-step process for taking the beliefs that are not serving us, because me not living up to my potential is not serving me on a personal level, and me thinking that I'm 100% responsible and it's my fault that nothing's happening, and just using that as an excuse to stall and not do the things I actually already know how to do isn't serving me very well either. So I shared that process. If you want that process, just hit me up or check out the Supersize Your Business School. I'm going to share it in there. It's just a matter of, as soon as I notice something is holding me back, I'm going to start to question that. And whenever we question anything or name something, then it takes its power away. But we don't just want to create a vacuum by taking the power away from that limiting belief. And again, remember, we don't think any of our beliefs are limiting. We just think they're our beliefs. And that's just the way it is. And that's just the way the world is. That's our reality. Because our subconscious sets up our own reality for each and every one of us all the time, every day, continuously, based on keeping us right where we are, right? And I don't know about you, but I don't want to stay right where I am ever. I want to always be moving, growing, making the world a better place, having a positive impact, setting an example, etc., and moving toward and creating the life that I want, not the life that I just think I have to live. All right. What else have I got today? I am going to work on the school community today. I was working and I've been doing a challenge from an amazing woman on a school platform, Evelyn Weiss, about relaunching and I never launched my community. So it's about, okay, let's get this lined up, aligned with what I really want to create, who I really want to serve, put it out there, and then start sharing it with people. Because the reason I'm holding us back is I haven't shared it with anybody. Why? That's some more of that belief wrangling that I need to do personally and professionally, right? We all need to continually be doing that. All right. Any questions? You know where I am. You can find me anywhere and just about everywhere. I also learned yesterday about I need to do something with my YouTube. I will. All right. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, see you tomorrow.